I'm tired, so okay, I think it's gonna be fine.
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, what's happening? What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha Caudle here, and we are back with another free tutorial for you. I've got my friends here with me. I've got Ashlyn and Jess, and we are here to teach you my combo to Early 2K by Chris Brown. Three things that you need to remember when you are taking class with me. One is be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. Dancing is just like any other sport, and you have to train your body and mind. So be kind to yourself and just enjoy it. Number two, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe down below. I am posting tutorials pretty often nowadays, and I definitely want you guys to keep taking class with me. Number three, after you learn this combo, I would love to see you guys take class, which means I would love to see you guys post some videos on Instagram, TikTok, Insta stories. Make sure that you tag me doing this combo. I can't wait to see what you guys learned. If you are ready to take class with us, then let's go, let's hop right in. All right, guys, so before we start class, you should know everything is mirrored already. So my right is your right and my left is your left, so you can learn it really nice and easy. So let us start. We're gonna start with our right foot back, and we're going 1 and 2 and. Yeah, good. So that's a really hype movement. We're just going 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 1 and 2 and. From here, I'm stepping my right foot down and I'm going place, place, place. Yeah, and I'm just leaning, holding everything tight to go and right, left. Good. From here, I'm gonna swing my right arm forward, swing, 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 and lean to the left. Let's connect all that from the top. So here we go, 5, 6, slowly, here we go, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and swing, swing, swing. Good. From here, I'm gonna go hit with my chest to the left, and I'm gonna change left, right to go woo, woo. Yeah, so we just said swing, swing, swing. We go up, place, and up, double. Yeah, my hands are out, my shoulders are pushing out. Ooh. You said, gate. You said full out, okay. So we just said lean, 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 we go up, place, left, right, woom, woom. And then from here, I call this my girl's Rumor Noel step because I've seen her do this before. We love Rumi. And we go right, left, left, right. And it's really cute. It's really precise and clean to go right and left, right, moving this way. Cool, let's go from the top, connect that all the way through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, rock it back. We go all 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Change and shift, shift, shift. This is a place and a double. We go right, left, right. Good. Let's get some tempo in there as well. So count wise, we go 5, 6, slow. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. We hold, hit, double, woom, woom. This is a 1 and a 2 and. Yeah. And as you're doing those feet, right, your right shoulder is popping up. Right, boom, 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 boom. From here, we go up and over our booty to reach all the way around, and then we give it to him, gank. Like that. Show him, Jess. You go ski. Ooh. Ooh, that. She said, gate. She said, that's my step. Yeah, so we just said right, left, right. We go over, crack, and then from here, we're circling the right arm around once as I'm pointing, and then around twice to come together looking over that right shoulder. So you just said right, left, right, woom, crack, 7, 8. Ooh, she clean. You're on tour here. Woo. Ha. From here, we step it out. We go step, around, step, around. And that's like really this. Whatever this feeling is, you know, whatever, just it's ugly. I want it like so, So I want it to stop and I want to go woo, ha, yeah. Cool, let's go all the way from the top, nice and slow. I know we need it again, I got you. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step, step, woo, woo, woo. We go a hit and a double. Right, left, right, boom, over, gink, woom, ha. This is a step around, step around. Good, how do we do? If you need that again, just rewind, just go back. I'm gonna move on just a little bit to go woom, ha. From here, you're gonna jump to your right, nice and clean, arms straight to go hit, to go cross, to go over, around with the neck, yeah? So ski, wah, bring it around, and you've got time to milk that. Cool, so we just said boom, 2, boom, ha. You hold this for a second. I'll tell you the timing in a second. To go whoop, hit, around, ha. Good. So from here, you're gonna go left, gi, right. And that's like clean, doom, doom, doom. To step on your left foot, woom, push, woom, push. Good job, guys. I know that was a lot. Let's take it back. Let's go medium tempo all the way through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 1 and 2 and woom, woom, woom. Ball change, gi. Boom, ha, woom, woom, boom. Da, boom, ha, hit, thick, woom, step, hit, step, jump and around to, and a boom, da, woom, gi. Yes, good. Let's do it one more time, medium tempo. I'm gonna count it out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, here we go. This is a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6, 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and thick, hit 5, 6, 7. This is 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7. Woo! She's quick, she's a little fast, she's crispy, she's nice, but once you get her, she feels so good. When I taught this in my class, everyone bodied it. It felt really nice. So I know it will for you. Just be patient with yourself, right?
Absolutely.
Tell them. Absolutely. Be patient. Wait a second. Hold on. You got this, sis. We got you. You got this. This dance is going to look cute on you. Watch this a couple times, and we going to be all right. We going to be all right. We gonna be all right. Whew. After you've done this a couple times, let's speed this up. Let's go full tempo. Are you guys ready? And then we go back and we finish it. Okay, here we go. 5, 6. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1 and 2. Beat with a woom, woom, woom. Chilling on the west side. Boom, da, key, hella, woom, hit, but. What am I saying? Geet, woom. 2, 3, taking our time, step. You know when you just like start spitting out sounds? That's what just happened. Is it midnight? I think it's midnight right now. All right, guys, so I want to teach you the ending. It's my favorite part, so we just have a little 2-step to go. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. We just said step, push, step, push. I'm going right, left, again, that shoulder thing, shkoom, shki. And then to finish it off, we're gonna go around, and I'm gonna go big. To take it to the ground, weight on the left knee, and we're gonna cut it there for today. So you learned the whole thing. Woo! Let's go back, let me explain this to you. We said left, push, right, push. We're going right foot, left foot. From here, I'm opening up my arms really nice and big. I'm matching my knees, and then I'm going in, out, okay? Now, to make it more impressive and exciting is really using your arms to brush and go around as you do it to make it bigger. So your knees don't have to be super big, but your arms make it look that much better. So we just said left, push, right, left, boom, geet, and we take that down to the ground. All right, good, let's go from the top nice and slow. I know you need it all the way through, and so do we, so we got you. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and boom, boom, boom. Chillin' on the west side, right? D, hella thick, hit me with a 1, and a jump, and boom. 2, 3, woo. Taking our time, step, rock through, woo, hey. Good job, all right. Shall we try it medium tempo? Medium tempo, let's go, let's take class. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, we go 1 and 2 and boom, 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 with a east side thing. Chillin' on the west side, right, and boom, hella thick, hit me with a 5, 6, 7, let it play through, 2, 3, taking our time, step, let it play through, woo. Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for taking class with us. I really hope you enjoyed my choreography Too Early 2K by Chris Brown. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. I post tutorials and dance videos here all the time for you guys. We can't wait to see your dance videos with this choreography. Make sure that you tag us. I will leave all our handles down below, but I'd love to see it on Insta stories, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Post it. I can't wait to comment and share it. This is only part 1 of my early 2K choreography, so if you are looking to learn the rest of it and you want a part 2, please let me know in the comments down below. I will post it upon request, so if you guys are liking this and feeling it and you want to learn more, let me know down below. I can't wait to see you guys in the next free dance tutorial. See you guys, bye! Bye!